Hey everyone, and welcome to the very first Azure video in this video series. So this video series is pretty much dedicated to help anyone who's interested in learning Azure. So what I'm going to do is kind of just break the videos down into kind of small chunks. So this video is just literally going to be creating a free trial account. And then we'll move into the kind of best practices side of things, how you should set up your Azure tenant, what to look out for and stuff like that. Then we'll move into individual services that Azure has to offer and what they do and kind of the best practices around them. And then we can later on move into cool things like infrastructure as code, start looking at some DevOps stuff, and yeah, just get a good feel for Azure as a whole. But to start off, we want to start right at the start, right, with some real basic stuff so everyone can start following along. So in this video, all I'm going to do is show you how to set up your free account. What that free account gives you, and then you'll be in a position to follow us along. So what you want to do is come to this page here. So this link will be in the description actually, so you can just click on that and you'll find yourself here. So once you're here, click on Start Free, and then that will take you through a process of setting up your free account. Who would have thought? So I'm pretty sure Microsoft will come up to a sign up page. I can't show you because I've already set up my account, but I'll explain it to you anyways. So once you've clicked on it, it will ask you to log in. You can log in with your Microsoft account if you have one. Otherwise, you can just create a new one. I'm pretty sure you can use a Gmail account as well, because I'm using a Gmail account as my login for Azure. So give that a go as well. But essentially, what's going to happen when you sign up is you're going to get something like this. So I want to just raise this is because you'll see here, number 3, identity verification by card. This kind of puts off a lot of people, like, oh, why am I giving you my card when it's a free tier? So this is just a verification method. I think they take like $1 off of your card and then they refund it. So what this is doing, yeah, like I said, it's just verification. It's a free tier regardless, so you can blow through all your free credit they give you, and then after 12 months, the free tier subscription becomes disabled, and then that's it, right? There is no linkage of credit card and free tier usage, right? So you can't spend anything with your card on that free tier. If you want to, you have to actually create a new subscription called Pay As You Go, and then everything you use each month will just be charged onto your credit card. So just, yeah, actually you can see it here. It says yay alerts. As you can see here, it says no commitment. Trial does not automatically upgrade to a paid subscription. So again, once you've used everything, that's it. Your free tier subscription's over. Then you can upgrade it to a pay-as-you-go subscription. So I just wanted to kind of put you at ease that don't worry, you're not going to get a bill at the end of the month if you accidentally spend too much. You'll just use all your credit and then that will be it. So anyway, what we want to do is once you've actually set up your account, you might actually end up at the portal, right? If you do end up at the portal, cool. Let me just explain to you what the free tier gives you, okay? And then you're all set up for this video series. So if we kind of backtrack, you will see that Microsoft, well, Azure, give us 12 months of their free services. That will be explained further down. And give us $300 worth of credit. I'm pretty sure that's US, so it might get exchanged a bit more depending on where you are. And then 25 services are always free. That's explained below as well. So let's jump down. So here you can see they give you 750 hours of Linux virtual machines and Windows. So I think that's just over a month's worth of hours. But that's a very specific virtual machine. So B1S VM. So I'm not going to go over all these, but this is just a good way to explain how the free credit and stuff works. So these are free for 12 months. If you use a B1S VM for 750 hours or less within the month, you will not be charged for it. Anything over that, say if I spend 751 hours, then that 1 hour will be charged out of my free credit. So that's how your free credit is used. Or if you spin up virtual machines outside of that B1S VM group, you will be charged for that as well out of your free credit. And your free credit is only valid for a month. So you get a quite nice chunk. So have fun with it. But again, in my next video, I'm going to show you kind of how to set up some budgeting. So you can kind of make that last, right? So, you know, within a week, you'll know if your usage is like $100 a day or something. It's like, oh crap, my credit's not going to last me for the month. So we're just going to kind of set up stuff like that for you as well. Which, yeah, so that's going to be in the next video. But if you're all set up and you're seeing the portal now, sweet, we can get cracking into the next video. So cool, I'll see you then.